A high-stakes military face-off unfolds in the South China Sea. The US and Philippines ramp up exercises, and China responds with force. What does this mean for peace and stability? Let's dive in. In a dramatic display of military cooperation, the United States and the Philippines held their first joint maritime war games of 2025, involving the USS Carl Vinson carrier strike group and advanced naval and air assets from both nations. Over 2 days, these exercises demonstrated a strong commitment to regional security and mutual defense, as articulated by Armed Forces of the Philippines Chief Romero Brawner. However, this show of force has not gone unnoticed by Beijing. In response, the Chinese Coast Guard deployed its massive monster ship, raising concerns near Zambales waters. Despite challenges from the Philippine Coast Guard, China continues its assertive stance near Bajo de Masinloc, a critical and contested area. The situation escalated further as U.S. Senator Marco Rubio issued a stern warning to Beijing, emphasizing U.S. commitments to the Philippines and Taiwan. Meanwhile, China's People's Liberation Army quickly launched its own maritime and air patrols in the South China Sea, claiming to safeguard peace but heightening tensions in the region. This power play comes just as Donald Trump prepares to enter a second term as U.S. president, a development that analysts believe could reshape the dynamics of the South China Sea conflict. Both nations are doubling down on military activities, leaving observers wondering if this is a prelude to greater regional instability. The South China Sea remains a critical flashpoint with global implications. The U.S.-Philippines drills, China's maritime actions, and the rhetoric from Washington paint a picture of growing tension. What's next for the region? Will cooler heads prevail, or are we on the brink of a major confrontation? Only time will tell. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest geopolitical news by subscribing to our channel. Click that notification bell to never miss an update, and don't forget to like and share this video. Together, let's stay informed about the issues that shape our world. See you next time. Thank you for watching.